Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Toyota Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, trip computer, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, security system, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, wheel locks, passenger vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.